If you are planning on choosing football as your niche, gather here. Hi everyone, I am Ese Mave. Today I'm going to tell you 3 things you need to know before you start your football content. As a content creator, there are 3 things that are very vital that you need to know before you start doing your football content, before you start doing your faceless football content. Now, if you are coming across my video for the first time, my name is Ese Mave. Make sure you like this video and drop a comment, and also share this video to people that you know it will be helpful, and most importantly, give me a follow so that you can see a lot of video like this that can help in your content creation journey. Now let's dive into it. Now there are 3 things you need to eventually know before you can start into choosing football as your niche. Now the very first thing you need to know is video editing. You must be good in video editing, because in the world of football, there are a lot of competitions. So for you to attract people to follow your page, you must be good in your video editing skill. You must be able to make sure that your video is outstanding. Your edits, they are very, very good for you to be able to outstand a lot of competitors. Your video must be outstanding for you to be able to beat competitors. Number 2, you must be good in graphic design skill. Your thumbnail must be very attractive, because for you to get people to get audience into your page, to get people to follow you, your thumbnail will attract them first. You need to work on your graphic design skill. You want to venture into football niche, you must be good, because there's a lot of competition there. You must be good in your graphic design skill, creating your thumbnails, creating your picture edits that will attract people. And the last we're going to talk about today is copyright. Now this copyright issue, now when it comes to football, copyright is very, very, very high. You must be a good editor for you to be able to outsmart the copyright on football. You get it now? You must be able to create your original content as a graphic designer or a video editor. You must be good in editing. Now, what are the things that you need to look out for when you want to edit a football video? The major things. And I'm not assuring you that this is 100% certain that the copyright is removed. Yes. Now, you must, when you have gotten a particular video, you change the aspect ratio, change the coloration of the video, change the sound, add effects, do a lot of things to it, so that the video will be eventually different from the original one. In doing this, you can be able to outsmart the copyright from that particular video, and you can be able to use that video for your niche. If you find this video helpful and you have learned something new today, make sure you like this video and comment your niche in the comment section, and share this video to someone you know will be in need of it. And I have also opened a WhatsApp group chat for content creators who are ready to learn from other content creators, and who are also ready to grow their followers and their engagement faster. In this community, you get to meet your fellow content creators, and you also get to learn how to create AI videos, how to edit photos with AI, and you, most importantly, you also grow your followers and grow your engagement in any social media platform, whether TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, any social media platform you are on. You get to grow your followers massively, organic follower, people that will engage on your posts on a daily basis. If you are interested to join this group chat, comment interested in the comment section, and I will send you the link in your DM. But most importantly, you must be following me before I can send you this link. Thank you. See you in the next video.